Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So let's get started. If you want to send a voice message on your Discord PC, then what you have to do is first of all open up your Discord application. So if you have installed your Discord application in your Windows PC, then what you can do is just simply open up that. But if you haven't installed Discord in your PC, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser and then search for Discord login. So just tap on this option and then log into your Discord account. So after logging into your Discord account, now what you can do is just simply install an extension in your browser. So what you can do is just open up a new tab. After opening up a new tab, now what you can do is search for Vencode download. So after searching for that, you can just tap on this option which says download, which is from Vencode. So now what you can do is, now if you have used your Discord application which is installed in your Windows PC, then what you can do is just tap on this Windows option and then download this version. But if you are using through your browser, then what you can do is just simply tap on this last fourth option which is browser and then download this extension for your browser. Just tap on this option which is from Chrome Web Store. So now what you can do is add this extension to your Chrome. So what you can do is just tap on add to Chrome and then add extension. So after adding this extension to your Chrome, now what you can do is just come back to your Discord and then tap on this user settings icon and then just scroll down, and here you should find a Vencode settings. So if you can't find that settings in your Discord, then what you have to do is just simply tap on this refresh button. And after tapping on that refresh button, just simply go back to your user settings, and now you should find that setting. So just scroll down and here you can see Vencode. And from here what you can do is just tap on this third option which is plugins. After tapping on plugins, now what you can do is in the search bar you can search for voice message. So you can find this option which is voice messages. So now what you can do is just simply toggle this option on, and after toggling it on, what you can do is just simply close this tab. And after closing it, now you can send a voice message. So what you can do is just select a person that you would like to send a voice message to and then tap on this plus icon, and here you can find this option which is send voice message. So what you can do is just simply tap on this option and now you can send a voice message in your Discord PC. Hello. So here you can see guys, you have successfully sent a voice message in your Discord PC. So that's it guys, this is how to send a voice message on Discord PC. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.